Hey all, welcome back to the channel Bikes to Watch. In this video, I am going to show you how you can fly a drone for the first time after the configuration process. Before we begin, I would like to highlight some important things that are important while flying for the first time. So first of all, while taking off, make sure you are not anxious and are not throttling up very slowly. This can result in the drone tilting and crashing. Second of all, while the drone is flying, make sure your movements are slow because the controls can be really sensitive. Third, while landing, make sure you throttle down really slowly because if you throttle down really fast, it can result in a crash. So now let's fly a drone. So now I'll tell you how your remote works. So this joystick is responsible for the movement of your drone. To move your drone forward, backward, right and left, this joystick will be used. And to move your drone high and low, this joystick will be used. To arm your drone, you need to move this joystick in this direction and to disarm it like this. So now let's fly our drone. Make sure your drone is powered on and turn on your transmitter. And now to arm your drone, move this joystick like this. And now throttle up. As you can see, it is now taking height. To move your drone right, move this joystick like this. To move your drone left, move the joystick like this. And to bring it back. And now as you can see, it works in all directions. And now to slowly land, bring down the throttle really slowly. And now to disarm the drone, move the joystick like this. Congratulations! Your first ever flight of your drone is now complete. In the previous videos, I showed you which component you should get to build your drone, the building of it, the configuration with the mission planner, and now the flight of it. With this series, you should now be able to make a successful drone. If you have any queries, you can write them in the comment box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.